Hey guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this particular YouTube channel I'll be teaching you how to make turban for either a baby or an adult. So for this particular turban, you'll be needing your shock or anything you can use to mark out your measurement, your measuring tape of course, and your scissors and your stretchy fabric. It has to be a stretchy fabric. It has to be a stretchy fabric so that it will be comfortable on the person once you're done making it, or once the person puts it on. But for this I'll be using my Ankara because I don't have enough of that stretchy fabric, so I'll be using my Ankara for this particular tutorial. But when you are doing yours, always make sure you use a stretchy fabric. So after that, you spread your fabric out on whatever surface you're going to use. Spread it on. You spread it out and make sure it's straightened. If it's too ruffled, you could iron it out. So after doing that, you make sure you are sure of the front and the back, and after which you fold it just the way I have done this. And after folding it, you fold again over to the other side, making it it's like you folded it 2 times. So once you count the edge of that fabric after folding and it gives you 4 pieces, just know you are doing it right. But if it's not up to 4, probably it's giving you 3 or 2 or more than 4, you know you are not doing it right. So after which you mark out your 9 inches. 9 inches is for baby. Take note of that. It's for a baby from 0 months to 6 months. So you mark out your 9 inches. So right now we're going to create an arc. We're going to create an arc up there. So it's going to be 9 inches through. We're going to take it 9 through. So mind you, take note of the way I'm marking it out, the place I'm putting the tape. So I'll mark it out. So for babies from 0 to 6 months, it's 9 inches. Sometimes most babies that do not have big heads, sorry to say, they use 9 inches too. But if you feel your baby is big, depending on how big your baby is, you could increase the inches to 10, 11. But for adults is from 13 to 15 for adults. 13 to 15. So after doing that, we're going to cut it out, trim it out with our scissors. You trim it. So with our scissors, you trim it out with your scissors rather, sorry. You trim it out. Yes. So this is what we get after trimming it out. Then we'll open. As you can see, this is what you get. It's more of like an umbrella shape. So after opening it, you thread your needle, like put a thread in your needle. If you're using a big needle, fine. A medium needle, fine. Then you sew it in like this. You make it big because it really does not matter if it's going to be a tiny sew. So this method, you can actually use your hand, your needle and your thread without your sewing machine. So it's something you can do if you're looking for a source of income. You can make this, accessorize it, and after doing that, you sell or supply to those people who sell baby things. You understand? So it's something you can make good amounts from it. You can sell it for 1,500, 2,000 naira, 3,000, depending on your location and how costly things are over there. So it's something you could make good profit from doing it yourself. So you sew it round like this. I'm done sewing it round like this. So I'm going to take the tip of this thread needle, and I'm going to drag. Like I'm going to drag it towards myself. So you drag it towards yourself. You drag it. Make sure you drag it like the full thread. You drag. Then after dragging, you can see what we got after dragging. Then you're going to join the 2 ends together. using that your needle and thread. So you see why you have to put your thread in your needle. So we're going to join them together. Make sure it's tight. It's tight and not loosened. Make sure it's tight. Always remember you are using a stretchy fabric. Always remember. So imagine you want to use it for a business. You could get one yard of different colors of stretchy fabrics. One yard. So a yard is not more than 800 naira or 900, at most 1,000 naira for stretchy fabric. So you could get a yard. Let's say you are getting 4 colors. You are starting with 4 colors initially. Initially, you're starting with 4 colors. That's 4,000 naira. Then any other thing, the threads and all of that should not be up to 1,000 naira. So 5,000 naira, you are doing that. And once you sell these things, let's say you are selling it for 1,500 or 2,000 naira after packaging and all of that, you should be getting how will I put it, 5,000 naira profit or 4,000 naira profit. So that's something. So imagine you're supplying to a baby, someone that sells baby things. So just imagine you're going to supply a bigger quantity. Yes. So I'm done with sewing it. Don't mind me doing, it's my thing. So I'm going to cover up this spots that you're seeing, because we can't leave it like that. So I'm going to cover it up, and I'm going to do a bow tie for it. So you can decide to do any form of design up there that suits you, that looks more beautiful for you. You can do a puff. I've made a video on how to make a puff. You can make a puff and use it to cover up that place, seal up that place, or you can use a bow tie, or you can do a flower. I'll teach you how to make a flower, make a video for that. So, or you can make a flower, or get accessories, buy stones. Stones do not cost much. For a little packet, that's 100 naira or so. You could buy stones or anything that looks beautiful, that's going to make it look more beautiful, that's going to bring out that beauty out of it, that beauty that's going to bring out the beauty out of it. So this is how we're going to make the bow tie. We just cut a square shape, then we'll fold it, and this actually, I'm trying to look for the back. Okay, so the back is going to be outside because we're sewing on the back, and the front is going to be inside. So I'm going to sew. So this time around, I'm going to make this sewing quite more smaller than the previous one for the main turban. So as you can see the way I'm doing it. So I'm going to do that all around, but I'll leave a space at the middle where I can turn over to the front side of the fabric. So just watch as I do it all round. I'll show you once I'm done doing it. Okay, this is it, and I've done it all around, and I left a space at the middle. Where I'm going to bring it out from. So this is it. So I'm going to turn it over. I like playing with words. So I'm going to turn it over, and we're almost done. I'll turn it over. So mind you, you can use anything you like. You could do a puff. As I earlier said, there's a video ready for that in one of my videos that I've posted. You can also make a flower and use it to cover that place, or you can also make beads. Yes, beads, jewelries, beautiful ones, nice ones. You could put it there. So it all depends on you. So just mind you, the more finer it is, the more your price is going to go up when you want to sell it. You could even do it for your baby. Instead of buying, you could even make it for your baby or for yourself. So that's just it. So I'm going to sew at the middle. Of this. So as you can see, I've gotten the bow tie. So that's how you make bow tie. So I'm going to make a bow tie. So Once I'm done with this, I'm going to sew it on top of that spot that where I dragged it. So that spot has to be neat. Mind you, always remember that spot has to be neat. You have to produce a neat work. So that spot has to be neat. So I'm going to sew it in. I'll sew it in. I'm done sewing it in. So I still need to cover up this place where the thread is still showing, and so I had to look for a final part of the fabric. I like purple, so I'm using this purple section of the fabric to cover it up. Yes, to cover it up. So I'm going to cover it up, and it's going to look more beautiful and neat. So yes, that's how you do it. So mind you, for a baby, the measurement is 9 inches from 0 to 6 months or 0 to 12 months, depending on how big the baby is. And for probably an adolescent or what have you, it's 12 inches at most. Then for adults, it's 13 to 15 inches. So I'm done. As you can see, make sure it's a stretchy fabric. As you can see, I've covered up that spot. Make sure it's a stretchy fabric so it can fit properly on the baby's head or on the adult's head. It should be a stretchy fabric. So I'm done with this, and you can see how beautiful it is and how beautiful it looks. So do ensure to subscribe, share, and like, and comment down below what else you want me to make a video on. Thank you so much.